Well, it was a day to pick up the hammer and help those out in the community who need it the most. In just one day, more than 1,200 volunteers spread out across the valley for National Rebuilding Day. 20 low-income.
The VAREP Las Vegas chapter was honored to help overhaul Army veteran Destiny House residents. Together, VAREP will continue to help vets attain the American dream they deserve.
I'd like to thank the VAREP representatives from Las Vegas, Nevada. They have come out to honor me on this very prestigious day. I'm just overwhelmed with the support I have received today.
Well, we really appreciate your service, and we're very, very glad that we were here to help you. And how do you like the home?
It's beautiful.
Aw, we're so happy.
VAREP Cares was established to support active military and veterans as a result of a sudden emergency or hardship. Every man and woman that has honorably served deserves a place to go when they need a hand up. VAREP Cares is that place.